what's up? It's Amy. Welcome back to the channel. This feels so weird because I haven't said that in so long, but let me explain why. Before we get into today's video, I'm gonna need you guys to subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Oh my gosh, this hurts my feet. Oh, I'm sitting on my legs. So basically, the channel is doing really well. However, once them finals hit, baby, I don't like half doing stuff. I'd rather like do it fully or not at all. Because honestly, my grades are starting to slip. Your girl almost didn't graduate college, but that's another story for another day. You should be seeing my graduation vlog. You should be seeing it after this video soon, okay? For today's video, I'm going to be doing a everyday summer makeup look. I hope you enjoy, and if you want to see the rest of the look, then stick around. Oh my god, no wait. Well, I want to start using Fenty Beauty foundation. But Juvia's Place also just came out with some foundation, which I want to try super soon. So, yeah. This is some concealer I got from the drugstore. My skin collection to be a concealer. But I'm gonna try it again anyway. And if I'm wrong, I'll just fix it. I don't always wear falsies on a daily, but when I do. What are you doing now? to apply lip gloss. I'm using the Fenty Beauty. I threw away the box, so I don't remember what color this is, but it's this one. Ooh, look at the reflective shine, baby. Ooh. But I like combine that with like regular lip gloss, because I like my gloss to be glossy. Speaking of lip gloss, that company, Glossier or Glossier, like how is it pronounced? Is it Glossier or is it Glossier? Because it looks like it's spelled Glossier, because last time I checked, E-I-R at the end of things are like more, you know? This is just some lipstick from Victoria's Secret Beauty Rush. You don't got enough lip gloss until you got those lines coming from your mouth when they separate. Like this. That's when you know you got enough. Put on this up. This is the real star of the show, ladies and gentlemen. I just like to make that clear. What's that say? Oh, Fenty Beauty. I know this is the wrong brush to use to do your highlighter. Please don't at me. I feel like I always say this. I need ouch drawers. I need like makeup drawers to have house all my stuff in. I need more equipment, better equipment. Who want to sponsor me? The highlighter is, oh, this one is in Trophy. Is that Trophy, right? Okay, that's the name. I got another mirror over there in case you're wondering why I'm looking over there. Sometimes I wonder, like a lot of, like some people, I feel like some girls put on like a ton of makeup. And then me, I don't like to put on that much makeup. Like if I'm going for a full face, then like, okay, it's gonna be like full face coverage, but like I'm not trying to be like dripping in foundation, contour, highlight, bronze, blush. First of all, wait a minute, I don't even use blush. I should though. I should get blush. Yo, this better come out fire. Fire, you heard me? Fire. Okay, and then last are these lashes. Let me put these lashes on. Alright. Off to a great start. Alright. I'm gonna be honest, most days I walk out the house, I ain't got no lashes on, but I do mascara. But I've been really trying to get into lashes lately because they just look so cute with like the way that people do their 3D like lashes nowadays. So if there's any like lash company out there that wants me to try their product, get me into wearing lashes more, I'd be more than happy to wear your lashes, okay? I might have to go back over that with the eyeliner. Okay, we got one down, one more to go. Now I gotta put on the accessories. So it doesn't fluff my curls. Oh, I'm cute. I'm cute. You cannot tell me I am not cute. Setting spray. I just got this from e.l.f. and I'm out, so I need some more. I want to try that Mario Mario. I can't think of the name, but the rose water or something. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Here's the final look, the finished product. I promise you, if I watch the playback and these lashes are crooked, I'm gonna be so upset. So upset. But I'm looking at the mirror right here and they look fine. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like this look. Generally this takes me 20 minutes to do. Stick around for my next video. So far, I think the uploading schedule I set for myself is going to be Mondays and Fridays you can expect a video, and then sometimes on Wednesdays. I'm trying to experiment on the channel like I always do and do like theme kind of like days of the week. If I don't upload on Mondays and Fridays, then I'll let you know that like I'm gonna be trying to do something like different on the channel, like you know, people have like makeup Mondays and like talk through Tuesdays and stuff like that, but for some days of the week, if that makes sense. And I just want to see how it goes on this channel, if you guys like it or if you don't. So yeah, from yours truly to you, other way around. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
Like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do. Woo woo. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in it like woo.